Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I want to take you into this short video of the pattern that we've been looking at on the Discord channel as well. Let me show it to you immediately because we can see that we've broken out of it. We've been looking at this downward sloping resistance line, which has a lot of touch points, and we've looking at this upwards sloping support line, which is obviously great. We've seen a low, we've seen a higher low, and it looks like we're maybe creating a new higher low right here, which is very interesting. On the Discord channel I also showed you that we could look at this like an inverse head and shoulders. So we've got the left shoulder right here, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. Normally we would like to see an inverse head and shoulders more like this with a higher right shoulder. But it is a valid pattern, and it is a valid downward sloping resistance line in this case. So this is a quite significant level. The only thing I'm really missing is, since we broke out, which was around midnight last night, we haven't seen a lot of volume confirmation. Like you can see right here, is that we've the volume is decreasing right now, which isn't that nice, of course, and which doesn't give me a lot of confidence that this is going to be a good trade. However, if we hold this line, which is on the daily, then it is it is a good thing, I guess. So what you could do in order to look at long positions is, if you're starting it right here. Oh, let me go back first. Let me explain to you how we get to this line. If we take this as a horizontal triangle, or we take this as an inverse head and shoulder, doesn't matter much. But how we measure the target is if we drag a line from the top to the bottom here, and we drag it to the upside. If it goes to the upside, of course. And the same goes for the downside. So that's what we did. And like you can see right here, is that the target with this breakout confirmation would take us to $25,000. Like you can see right here is some resistance that we could imagine looking at. So that would be a first take profit area. I would take 50% of my profits there and let it eventually ride out. Like, we take profits before the target, so around 24.5, 24.6, I would take the rest of the profits for this trade, of course. So if we set up a long position, we could do it like this. We start here, we measure the risk to reward here. So we if we put a stop loss right here, I would put it a little higher, just below the line. If you want to put it tighter, you can set it a little lower than this low that we created here. So this is a 3.5 to 1 trade, which is a very nice risk to reward ratio. So if you're looking for a trading opportunity, this could be it. If we're looking at the MACD and the RSI right here, you can see that it is losing a little bit momentum right now, but it isn't that bad. Let's look at the 1 hour and see if we can see something there. The histogram is looking good. It's trying to creep upwards again. The dark red is turning light red again, so maybe heading up like that. RSI isn't oversold, so this is a very nice trading opportunity. So if you're looking for one, just go ahead and set it up. If you don't know how, just ask me in the YouTube comments, and I'll help you set up this the way of trading this. You could trade this with spot as well, of course, so you don't need to leverage trade. So I would risk $750 in this case to make $1,875 if this is in spot. If we do a 10x leverage, you can make this $18,750. Yeah, you know how it works with leverage trading. So it's a very nice setup. And let's see on the daily, that is this chart, or this is the weekly, but you can see that this is still holding up and looking good. And wanted to look at the MACD on the daily because that was turning lighter. Yeah, this is good, and almost a bullish crossover right here. So it's very interesting. It's a nice trade. It would also put us back into the EMA ribbon, which can act as support, of course. In bear markets, yeah, we can see it being rejected by the daily ribbons, but yeah, in bull markets you can see that we mostly get supported by it, right? Like this all the way up, all the way support. So and now we're below it, and it's acting as resistance. So if we could climb back up here, that would be great, of course. So nice trading setup for you guys. It is time essential, so if you want to go in this trade, you should go right now. I'll start uploading it immediately. Thanks so much. Talk to you soon. Bye.